for the Seattle Mariners. What player did Pat Gillen select in the first round of the 2002 MLB Draft? We've got a lot of Pat Gillen stories. Talk about his worst trade. He talked about that. Yeah, I think it was Jason Worth. Jason Worth, that's a good guess. No, he drafted him in Baltimore. Yes, he did. First round, that was good. And now catcher. That's a catcher. You have another guess? No. Unless you're going to give me a hint. Well, he's one of those two. John Mayberry. You felt that. That's a hit right now. That's right. John Mayberry was selected by the Seattle Mariners. Didn't sign back in 2002 out of Fox High School in Kansas City. He decided to go to university, go to Stanford University. Okay. And he was selected in the first round by the Texas Rangers. So you do not get the